Hey y'all, and welcome back to the DG Outdoors channel, guys. In today's video, I got new bolts for the XR250B. I mentioned in another video that I'd like to get bolts that have orange fletchings to match the new string and the color of the crossbow itself. So what did I get? Guys, I went on eBay, okay? After my last transaction with Amazon and they couldn't find or deliver my product, whatever, I bought some aluminum bolts to test out this crossbow. I just went on eBay and bought these. So I bought a dozen of these for like $22, I think, $23, something like that. But they're a no branded 16-inch carbon bolt. But what I didn't realize when I bought them until I got them is they have a 125 grain field point on it. So we're going to sight these things in to use these bolts this hunting season, and that's what this video is about, and I'll probably go and order more. We're going to weigh the field point. We're going to weigh the bolt itself as to see the total grain weight. We're going to weigh the bolt without the point. Things I've done in past videos, and then we're going to go sight this thing in at 20 yards and see how well it does. Alright, so looking at the bolt itself, the quality doesn't look bad at all. It's got a really nice half moon knock on there. 4-inch plasti vane fletchings, okay, which don't seem bad quality either. The glue seems like it's pretty good on these. You look down the shaft, which is really nice too. The point itself, the field point itself, they are removable, okay, and it actually has a little rubber gasket in there to keep it tight against the bolt so it doesn't unscrew itself. So overall the quality looks really nice. Bending, you're not hearing any cracks or anything like that. So let's get to weighing these things. Alright guys, so I had to put this plastic lid on there to hold the broadhead. So we're going to weigh all three of them and see how consistent they are. The first one is 125.8. Okay. Here we go with the second one. 125.8 again. And here is the third one. Again, 125.8. Okay, they're all really consistent. That's good. Well, we got the first bolt at 248 grains without the 125 grain field point. Second bolt is 248.6. And this one's coming in at 247.4 to 247.6, so it's a little bit lighter. A total bolt grain weight of 372.8 on this bolt, 374.2 on this bolt, 377.6 on this bolt. Thing I forgot to do before weighing is, are these 16 inches carbon to carbon like they're supposed to be? And they are dead on 16 inches carbon to carbon. Alright, y'all, just look at these things on here. They match so nicely. My predictions is right now, since I'm sighted in at 20 yards with a 100 grain field points, that these should shoot low with 125 grain field points, but we're going to find out. But yeah. Here we go with the first shot. I'm going to have to buy some 125 grain broadheads, which is okay. First shot. Second shot. Alright y'all, the mailman's delivering my package, which I got a pretty cool shirt to show you guys here in a second. I'll have to go get it. Let's go check out these shots. So I was expecting it to shoot low, okay? But how low did it shoot at 20 yards? Just by increasing 25 grains. And they're a different manufacturer's bolt and all that stuff. Well, first let me show you guys the group, and then I'll go grab the tape measure because I forgot it. Here's my group at 20 yards with these new bolts. Not bad at all. Yeah, they shot a little bit lower than what I thought they would, but we're going to actually measure how low they shot. The tripod, got the tape measure, on our way down to the target to see how far down this group is. Alright, time to measure. How far down are we at 20 yards? We are exactly 2 inches low at 20 yards, which ain't so bad. So now we just need to go over there, move up the scope, and we'll be good to go. Awesome. Alright, so we're going to move the scope up a little bit here. Give it some turns. This was bottomed out the last video, so I think right there will be good to start out with. Alright, so before I jump into the rest of this video, I wanted to show you guys the shirt I was talking about, right? You guys know that the Wild Game Innovations crossbow was made by Barnett Crossbows, right? So I bought this shirt. You guys ready? A Barnett Crossbow shirt, and I'm so happy to have it. The funny thing was I ordered this thing off of eBay, and it told me it was coming from Indonesia, and I found out it's actually coming from Texas, which is why it said it wouldn't be here till August 14th. And it got here today. So I'm happy to rock a Barnett Crossbow t-shirt. So yeah. That's my new shirt. And I would put it on, but I really don't want to get it dirty yet. So let's get back to shooting. Alright, y'all, second round shots at 20 yards with the new bolts. Just as a side note, I learned my lesson. I do check all the knocks now before I shoot too. So, here we go. First shot. Alright, y'all, second shot. Third shot. Alright guys, let's go check out these shots. Yeah boys, I'd say we're good. We're probably not even half an inch high right here on that bolt. Well, that's a really good group. Holy smokes, dude. Check that out. Awesome. The way these shoot, this is only the second time shooting these. This vane's a little warped up, but I mean, the other two are fine. I don't know. But I have a 12 pack of them, so I'm not too worried about it. But they did pretty good. Alright, y'all, so I'm satisfied with those results there. One time turning those turrets, basically bullseye. I'm cool. Next thing is, I've got to go to the store and buy some 125 grain Fieldpoints if I'm going to use these. So yeah, these will be my bolts for hunting season. I do like the other ones too. I just, by accident, bought ones that had 125 grain Fieldpoints in them. And so, I'm going to go buy 125 grain broadheads. And that's cool. So, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Hope you guys liked my new t-shirt. That's pretty cool. And y'all remember, like, comment, subscribe. Remember, Jesus loves you. Remember to push. Pray until something happens, and I will see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.